McLaren Solus, originally a concept car, made its dynamic debut at the 2023 Goodwood Festival of Speed. It was displayed alongside another Solus, representing a significant portion of the limited production hypercar. The Solus features a striking design with aerodynamic elements borrowed from Formula One, a powerful 5.2-liter V10 engine, and impressive performance capabilities. During the festival, weather conditions affected the Solus' performance, but on a sunny Sunday, McLaren factory driver Marvin Kirchhöfer drove the Solus to victory in the Goodwood Hillclimb, achieving an impressive time of 45.34 seconds. This marked a successful debut for the hypercar. Alongside the Solus, McLaren also introduced the 750S, the most powerful series production supercar in their lineup. With a twin-turbo 4-liter engine, mid-mounted for better stability and weight distribution, the 750S aims to improve upon the successful McLaren 720S and promises a thrilling driving experience with refined performance. Overall, McLaren's showcase at the Goodwood Festival of Speed highlighted their commitment to innovation and excellence, both with the dynamic debut of the Solus hypercar and the upcoming prospects of the 750S supercar for GT3 racing.